Hey everyone, welcome to another week of our Sociology and Disasters class. This week we learned about evacuations during disasters. This chapter goes over different myths and misconceptions about people's behavior during disasters. A few myths that are notably mentioned in this chapter are that people act irrationally, people can't protect other people, that there's a shock and panic factor, and passive mindset throughout the evacuation and disaster. Some truths are that people do act the way that they should, and there's not as much of a panic or shock factor because they are usually notified about the evacuation and disaster coming their way. Another fact I learned this week would be that there was a wildfire in Ventura City. Over 1,000 homes were evacuated during the fire. 150 structures were lost during the fire, and that the fire was 7 to 8 miles long. One muddy point this week, and that shocked me as well, was that people died on the road having a heat stroke during a bus fire and traffic accidents during Hurricane Katrina. And that also played a big factor on why Houston was not truly pushed to evacuate during the recent hurricane. The words this week for me would be convergence, which takes place when a stricken community becomes the focus of an aid-given effort on the part of surrounding community and individuals, larger political entities, and private organizations. Another important word this week would be evacuation, about people preparing to evacuate people and leaving. It also states how people are evacuated to shelters, different basements, and safer locations during the time of a disaster. One question that I would ask the class would be, why does the media portray evacuation disasters different than the truth on how people truly act? My response for that would be that the media should portray evacuations truthfully so individuals can learn how to evacuate properly, or at least to have the concept of the evacuation down. Myself, I'm a big avid person on watching the news, learning from different, the media on the internet, and they should portray how to evacuate properly. So anyway, thank you for listening to my video this week, and I hope you all have a great rest of your week. Thank you.